Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasab Shinde, working as an assistant professor at NB Navle Singhad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have total 12 years experience, out of that teaching 10.5 and industry 1.5. Now today we are going to discuss regarding to the differential amplifier, its DC and AC analysis. DC and AC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Now first we are going to study the DC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. See in a diagram. DC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Already we discussed in the last lecture for DIBO. In DIBO, dual input, two inputs and balanced output at the collector terminal. So for the DC analysis, connect the input voltages V1 and V2 to the ground. See here, IB it is a base current, IC it is a collector current, RC it is a collector resistor, RB it is a base resistor, Q1 and Q2 these are two NPN transistors. See the diagram, it is a DC analysis of dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. Transistor Q1 and Q2 are the ideal transistor. So both the collector resistor have the equal value. Let us find the value of ICQ. ICQ and VCEQ. Apply the KVL to the base emitter loop of the transistor Q1. Apply the KVL. We get the equation number 1. But for common emitter configuration, beta gain is the ratio of IC upon IB. For ideal transistor configuration, IC nearly is equal to IE. So we already know beta is equal to IE upon IB. So we can write down IB is equal to IE upon beta. Put the value of IB in equation number 1. We will get put the value of the IB in equation number 1, we will get the I upon beta dot RES plus VBE plus twice RE dot RE is equal to VE. Rearrange this equation. In practical condition, RS upon beta, it is very small. Than twice RE. So we neglect this factor. So we get the I VCQ V up minus VB upon twice RE. Find the value of the VCEQ. Apply the KVL to the collector base loop. We get the equation number 1. VC is equal to VCC minus IC dot RE. But we know VC is equal to VC minus V, equation number 2. Put the value in equation number 2. But V is equal to minus VB, voltage at the emitter of Q1. Put the value of V, we get the VC. VC is equal to VCC plus VB minus IC dot RC. VCQ is equal to VCC plus VB minus IC dot RC. It is the value of the VCEQ. It is a DC analysis of dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Now these are the dual input balanced output differential amplifier parameters. That is first one. ICQ is equal to VE minus VB upon twice RE. Second, VCEQ is equal to VCC plus VB minus IC dot RC. Third, differential mode voltage gain AD is equal to minus GM upon RC. GM, it is a transconductance of transistor. Fourth one, input resistor RID is equal to twice beta upon GM. We assume beta nearly is equal to 100. Output resistor VOD is equal to RC, collector resistor. VOD, it is a differential output resistor. It is regarding to the DC analysis of differential amplifier. Thank you.